This is our aft cabin, the place where we sleep, and these are the noises we have been hearing for the last 3-4 days. And I think it will take 2 more, and then the cold front will be gone, and there will be less wind, hopefully. The boat won't rock that much, or roll, or whatever you want to call it, and then we will be able to sleep a bit better, hopefully. So yeah, the noise you hear is from the lines that are attached to the cleats just above where you guys are, actually just above you. And yeah, because the wind is coming from the south now, it pushes the boat to the port side, and so that's the line you can hear that's continuously pulling, slacking and tensioning up, slacking and tensioning up. And also, of course, the starboard line, for sure, that one, because the port line is now quite slack. And yeah, so that's how we sleep. It's not only the noise, but it's also a bit the rolling. So we lay next to each other, and I mean, your body is continuously like rolling. Yeah, that's it. So it's not very sleep inducing, of course not, and we both are not the best sleepers in the world. And besides that, it's also a bit painful for your back, because your back doesn't get any rest, so you feel it in there. But we had this conversation with a few other sailors as well, and they told us that, for example, if you're crossing oceans and you're going downwind, which means the stern, or the wind comes from the stern, that you get big waves. So the boat goes really up and down for however long the voyage takes to cross an ocean, probably 3 weeks to a month tops. So that it can be quite painful, but then after 3-4 days it seems always to happen that you get used to the situation, or you just don't care anymore, maybe. And yeah, I can confirm that, because we didn't do ocean crossings yet, almost. We had it in Lotte here in Greece. That was the worst for now, and also actually here in the place we are now, we had it for 2-3 days. The rocking, which is yeah, I told you a few times already, I guess. It works on your mental health.
Coral tine trident screeches banshee-like in the tempest and plunges right through your gullet.
And of course you're tired, and which results in that you're not thinking too straightforward, that you're, well, all the brain capabilities are decreasing, so it's easily to make mistakes. As long, well, for now it hasn't happened with the boat, any severe situations yet, unless the one we had when we prop wrapped our anchor and were swinging around and could have destroyed quite a lot of other boats, which luckily, touch wood, didn't happen. So yeah, but we'll probably get into situations that will be difficult and hard, and I guess we just have to, yeah, go through it. And you can't say no. I mean, if you're I always imagine if you're in the middle of the ocean, and I heard a lot of stories of other sailors, and I mean, the swells are, you have 10-meter waves, something is wrong with the engine and you need to fix it, and you're dead tired. You just have to take it as it comes. You cannot be frustrated or angry. Well, you can, but not for long. You just have to go on. Yeah. And And the one situation I can compare it with what I personally have was again with when we prop wrapped the anchor and we were swinging around. We could have destroyed all the other boats, and I tried to stay calm, but in my head there was like a panic, like ah! Ah! What do we do? What do we do? Wah! Wah! So I had quite a lot of effort to stop that and think straight for, or just think. But after I think 2 or 3 minutes, just flip the switch or pull the plug. How you want to call it? And then then I was able to think logically instead of emotionally. It keeps it interesting, doesn't it? So at the moment we are trying to fish up Randy, and I won't tell yet who Randy is, but let me show you how we try to fish him up, because we put him in the water, so he was still a bit skinny and hairy. So to get all that off, we put it in the water so the fish can eat it, and they love it. And we have put him in the water for about a month, I think, or 5-6 weeks. And I'll show you how Ramon's trying to pick it out. Show it. Let's show you guys. Hello, Papara. And this is Papara. Hello. Okay. There we see part with John. Say hello, John. Okay. Let me check if you can see what Ramon is doing or trying to do. There we go.
Trying to kill a fish. No.
Ooh, I think he might be.
I got it. It's like
Ooh, there he comes.
Oh yes, it is. Yeah.
Randy. Here he comes.
Don't bump into the wall.
Ooh, look at that. Whoa, he's clean.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Ooh.
Ooh, it's only just.
Oh, wow.
Anchor just got it. See that?
So, yep. Meet Randy, boys and girls, ladies and gents.
Randy likes that metal.
Yeah, Randy.
Oh.
Look at that. So this is the dinghy anchor, which
Ooh.
we used to get him from the ground.
Oh, there's a bit of meat on it still, so we can still nibble it off if you want.
Yeah, you hungry?
Yeah, I am now.
Ooh, he smells bad.
Ooh, smells bad.
Where is it? This is the meat.
Yeah.
The grey part, huh?
I think I'll just leave it in for a few more days or weeks. Oh, sticks fell down. Hi, Sticks.
Sticks fell down. Sticks, look at Randy. Look, Randy. I think Randy might have been a smoker. What do you think?
Smoker?
Look at his teeth.
Yeah.
So, what's the plan?
Well, I'm gonna put it back in the water.
Yeah, because the grey parts are the meaty parts, right?
Yes.
So,
You need to come off.
well, I promise you, he smells way better already than before.
Yeah.
Because he was hairy and yeah. And lovely Jordan took it with him for us, and he walked with it for an hour or 3. Crazy. Let's see. Here are the pieces of meat. Still. Ugh. Ew. Ew. What are you up to, Sticky Wicky? Hello, little black jaguar. Hello. Oh, look who's happy. Oh, definitely feeling better now. Yo, Sticks. Oh. Yep. Yeah. So Randy is not the only of our extended family members. We have, see if I don't fall in, this one. And
This ugly dude.
yeah, what was his name again?
I don't know.
No, we don't have a name yet.
I know he died.
Yeah. So any suggestions are welcome.
He's dead.
It's a sheep, so maybe Sheila. Yeah.
Oh, Sheila. Yeah, yeah, like an
Sheila.
Australian female.
Yeah.
Like
Is that a Sheila?
Sheila.
Oh. And what was the other word they used? Like in the movie? Madam?
Oh, hello there. The other one was... I can't remember.
What did the Aussie say with
Sheila's,
females?
Sheila's and...
I don't remember.
No.
We'll figure out later and put it in here. So cool. I'll show you the rest of our family, of our skull family.
Go for it.
Yeah. So this was Randy and Randy the ram. This is this is the horn of Randy. And Sheila the sheep is still in the water. And let's check. I'll show you now our other extended family. I forgot you to show this one. That's the other skull we have, and there's also a sheep, and this name is Esmeralda. And this is our the most beautiful one you probably have seen already in lots of our clips. This is Skeletor. Then we got Boris the Bar. And that's it for now. Hopefully that's enough for Ramon.